Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Bare Anatomy. This video is not in my to-do list, but as soon as I saw the box, I thought this brand really deserves an unboxing video, so I'm here with it. So Bare Anatomy provides customized and personalized skincare and haircare products. What you have to do is log on to their website www.bareanatomy.in. Click on the options button. You could see the skin analysis report in the drop down list. Take the quiz and you will be provided with a personalized product according to your skin type and skin issues. The box was very neatly wrapped. I'm sanitizing it. The box looks beautiful and looks classy in navy blue color. When you open this, you could find a manual on how to use the products. Everything is wrapped in paper. This is the Bare Anatomy's night-long rejuvenating cream. Next is a pamphlet about their beauty collagen powder. Next product is a face wash. Look at the packaging, guys. Classy in rose gold color. Last product is a moisturizer. This is the Bare Anatomy's All Day Hydrating Moisturizer. There are few samples from Bare Anatomy team. This is their Skin Renewal Beauty Collagen Builder in Swiss vanilla and rich chocolate flavors. It has 10.4 gram of protein in it. So these are the products that you get in the Bare Anatomy box. Bare Anatomy provides customized skincare and haircare products. So these products are something that is suited for my skin type and for my skin issues. Can't wait to try them and share my experience with you guys. So stay tuned. I would put the coupon code in my description box. Use the coupon code to get 500 rupees off on your first purchase. And the offer is valid till March end. So hurry up guys. If you are someone who's tired of trying all the skincare products in the market but nothing seems to really work on your skin, then I would highly recommend you to try this customized skincare. The ingredients are rightly picked for your skin type and for your skin issues, and it is made using the advanced scientific technology. So what are you waiting for? I will leave the link in the description box. Do check that out. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Deepthi signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.